degrees at where we live.
Oh, wow.
What's the temp over there? 27?
I'm not sure, Dad. What's the temperature? In the 20s.
I think we have it at 27. I just looked at the news. I thought it was 0.
Can you see the computer?
Where did you get? Yes, I can see I can see your computer.
It doesn't see. Can you see it? It says.
No, put it the other way.
Hold on.
Good. What's 9 times 9? 9? No, 9. No, 9. No, 9. Wait, are you playing?
Yeah, I'm playing right now.
Can't see it.
Oh. Can you see it a little better? Oh, I can't help. Hold on. Damn.
I can't see.
Oh. Can you see it now? This is a bad tripod. My hands are in the way.
Are you on your iPod?
No. I'm on my, no.
Your phone? Your laptop?
I'm on my, mom's phone. Can you
see me?
It says paused.
What?
It says paused on your screen.
What does it say now?
Oh yeah, I can see you now.
Can we have a play date, Sean.
Yeah?
One day you want to have an overnighter?
You mean a sleepover?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
We can play
I can bring my computer over. I could bring my laptop over.
Yeah?
What?
Equipment. Nah, I'd rather see his fun house.
Right now I'm in last place. On the race, I'm in last place.
It's not surprising.
What do you mean it's not surprising?
You were slowing down at a lot of speed.
This is as fast as I can. It's because I was crashing.
Yes, that's what I mean.
I know. This is the part of.
It's surprising that you lost because anybody would lose if they were crashing.
Yeah, I know. This is the part of the game that I don't like this part of the race.
Sean.
Yeah?
After the race, I'm gonna go lay with my mama. I'll watch TV. Okay?
Okay.
Wait. How many Pokemon in the cards do you have?
I'm not sure.
20? Choose your track.
Choose your track. Choose your boat. Victor.
Lecture.
That's what my vote is called.
Do you have Do you have every boat?
No, I only have one of them. Cause I have this game. I have this game on my Xbox 360, and I'm like a pro at it. But on the computer, I'm not really a pro at it that much.
What are you a pro at? That game on Xbox 360?
Well, I play this game on the Xbox 360 and my Windows laptop, and I have to,
Every day.
and I have to admit I'm better. I mean, I'm really good on Xbox 360, but I have to admit I'm okay on the laptop. But I'm 100% better on the I'm 100% better on Xbox.
Sean.
Yeah.
Don't we call each other like every day?
Yeah, we do call each other every day.
But we have fun conversations.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, do you want to have a conversation?
Yeah, I'll have all day to do it.
Okay. I'll have all day to do it.
Because I have the day off from school.
We're cousins.
Yeah.
Sean,
Yeah?
one day I can sleep at your house. One day you can sleep at my house.
Yeah.
One day you slept at. One time you stayed at my house. This time I'm probably gonna go to your house.
And if
Can I bring my Pokemon?
yeah, you can bring a You can bring a Pokemon. Yeah. If you wanna. I don't.
When I pack my bag for one night, should I bring my Wii?
Your Wii?
Yeah.
Oh, I already have a Wii here.
A Wii U.
Oh no, a Wii U. I don't have a Wii U, but I have a
I have a PlayStation 1, and the only good game I have it on is Tony Hawk.
Oh yeah, I played that with you. I remember. Okay, I guess we'll do one more race, and then we'll end it. Choose your track. Choose your boat. Vector. I know, I'm making a YouTube video right now, like with a screen recorder, and I bet I don't know if the people are getting sick of this or not. That video with you and me, it's uploaded.
It is?
Yeah.
How do I go on YouTube?
Oh, you type, I'll tell you in a minute, okay?
After the race?
Yeah, after the race.
Are you almost done?
I'm in the beginning of this is the third race I've done. Yeah?
Are you still uploading that game?
Oh, well, I'm still recording right now. I'm still recording.
Okay, then I say to you? Hey, my butt is big. I'm a Zeus.
Oh, crap. I'm not doing too good this time.
You're doing too good?
I'm not doing too good this... Oh, God, this sucks. I don't like this. Oh, it's working. No.
It sounds like that. Whoa. Then call.
Don't end it yet. Are you?
No, end hole. I ended the game because I didn't want it no more. Sean, I didn't end the game. I was not gonna end you.
Oh.
I'm just talking. I'll say doing another race.
After this one, this is the last race I'm doing.
How many did you do?
This is my third one, and this is the last one. Yeah. Oh. Alright guys, so that's basically it. Subscribe to my main channel, Tag Gallagher, but if you want to sub to it, type in Sean's Toy Show. And also subscribe to my other channel, STS Network, and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Peace.